Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to detect the vertical drag gesture on any sort of widget. So we've got this image here, so what we want to do is detect when we drag up and down. So this is really cool. Maybe we have some sort of, let's say, image, and if we swipe up it'll go to the next image. You could do that left and right as well. In the next video I'm going to show you horizontal drag, so if you want to do that, but what you want to do is totally up to you. I'm going to put a print statement in there, but the actual functionality is obviously dependent on your specific scenario. So we have this container with a child here, this image, and we're going to enclose this inside of a gesture. I'm going to say child gesture, and we need to cut this and put it in here. Okay, so this is gesture detector, sorry, not gesture. And now we can actually try and detect the gesture that we want. So what we want is on vertical. There's a few different ones. So you got on vertical drag start, you've got end, down, update, and cancel. So the main one you probably want to deal with is start. This is when you first basically just click on it. This is updated basically, when you scrolling it up or down, and it'll tell you essentially the speed. So that's really useful. So if you're scrolling something, it allows you to determine how fast you should scroll it, how many items should be scrolled, for example. End is once you've lifted the finger off it. Cancel is essentially when something else interrupts your phone, like if you get a phone call, you'll cancel what's happening. So if we just do start for now, and here we just need to put drag start details, and we'll call it details, like so. And we can just do a print. We can say start, and then we can just print out the detail as well, so you can see what's being printed out. So if we save that, and if we go back, so if I just click it, it says start. But if I just drag, it doesn't do anything. It's only obviously it's getting the position of the click on the screen itself, obviously not anywhere else, only on the image because that's what it's attached to. But if we want to actually detect the scroll itself, the vertical drag, we just do on vertical drag update, and we need to do drag, not start. I think you can guess, drag update details, and we can call this parameter whatever we want. And in here we're basically doing the same thing, so we'll copy and paste this. The only difference is this is going to say update instead. So if we save that now, so if I click on it, as you can see it says start. Now I'm going to move the mouse down. So as you can see, it's printing something else. So if I move up, we get a minus value, because remember, like on a phone, if you scroll your finger up, it's the equivalent of going down in a list of items, because it's reverse scroll, and vice versa. So as you can see, I'm just moving it quite slowly, and we're getting similar values, either minus or positive. But watch what happens if I do it fast. You probably can see there we got some values that are like 2, 3, maybe even higher than like 20. So depending on the actual scroll itself will determine the actual, what's it called, the the value. And we can do details dot, and we can get some of the properties from here. And as an extra task, what I want you to do is implement all the other vertical gestures. So we got the cancel one, we got end, and can't remember what the other one was. Cancel, end, and down. Implement them, get them working, and also try and get the individual pieces of information from here for this. And that is it. That's all there is to vertical drag detection. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.